Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your TikTok video to your gallery without posting. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. I'm going to create new TikTok video. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then for example, I'm just going to upload a video from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to upload, wait guys, I'm going to upload this video. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next, and here I'm going to edit the video before save it to my gallery. For example, I'm going to add the music. For the music, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add sticker as well to my video. So I'm going to click on the sticker icon, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, click on done, and I'm going to place it right here, and then you can customize the video according to your needs. You can add tags, add voiceover, add effect, or it's up to you guys. You can edit the video as creative as you can. Okay, and then once you're done editing your video, and then if you want to save it after you're done editing, you can go to this option, this little arrow, and then you can click on save with watermark if you don't want to post your video to your TikTok but you still want to save it to your gallery. I'm going to click on save with watermark, and just wait for a moment until the video has been saved to your gallery. Okay, now the video is being saved, and we just need to wait until 100%. Okay, it's almost done guys. Alright, and now the video has been saved to my gallery, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. Okay, this is the TikTok video we have just saved. Okay guys, and that's all the way to save TikTok video without posting to our gallery. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.